them subs are efficient, man.
Man, no, they're beasts, man.
They're efficient, bro. Because I mean, for it to be moving with no more, you're not getting a lot of watts.
They ain't even fucking stressing right now.
They ain't even hot.
That's because they only got 1500 watts going to them.
Maybe.
Bitch in 4K beast mode, man. Why do you think my fucking windows won't roll up anymore and shit like the thing?
That's nice, man.
No, this thing.
I gotta get my stuff going. I waste too much money on. Man, I like buying old school stuff like that, and instead of I could be building my stuff.
Car audio is my hobby, man. It's my love, man.
Yeah, me too.
It's my love.
Me too.
And I like building. I like building nice stuff from the people that understand it and that aren't. Okay, just hook me a power wire and give me a self-tapping screw to the ground and get me banging, bro. I'm like, no, dude, don't work like that with me. No, we're going full through and through.
Yeah, we're gonna do it right. Mm-hmm. And that's the reason I haven't even done much to my car, because I want it done right. You know what I'm saying? And
it ain't just about your amp and your woofer. It's about your
everything.
Supply.
Everything.
Okay. DD Audio's motto is true to the source, right?
Yeah.
My motto is I'm source oriented. I'm
That's
about
it.
source, man.
That's it.
I probably got